Alright, this is pretty much just a part 2 because I had to go before I started the other bit. So this is all that's left now. Lincoln. They are not bad. They have some good cars that are getting better. I'm gonna say I wouldn't get one though. Chrysler. I don't know. No, I wouldn't get one. Smart car. My friend really likes them, but they're small. They've got a tiny little engine. They're probably slower than the American AMC. But they're not exactly the worst cars you'll ever see in your life. I wouldn't get one, but I'm not saying that they're bad. Cadillac, I don't even think they're sold here. I'll just put that in wouldn't buy one, because they're not exactly bad. Scion, what the hell is that? I thought it was a Toyota. That ain't a Scion. That's a Toyota GT86. Right, so basically, you're telling me that it's Toyota. Right, this is basically a Toyota. So, it's pretty good. I'll put it in there. Aston Martin. There is some fast cars. There is some classic cars in there. There is some good cars. Pretty damn good. Saturn. Now, I've heard of Saturn. I just haven't ever paid any attention to them. Saturn car. Saturn. That's a Vauxhall, for God's sake. That's also a Vauxhall. It's goddamn Vauxhall. See, that looks like a rip-off version of a Vauxhall Insignia. What the hell? Right, so... Oh, no. Rip-off Vauxhall. Wouldn't buy one. Suzuki. Now, there is some pretty small ones. There is some good ones. There's big ones, reliable ones, not reliable ones. They're kind of mid. Since when was Koenigsegg in mid? Mitsubishi. There's some good ones, bad ones, just like Suzuki. They're sporty. They are sporty though, which I like. And then, lastly, there's Pontiac. I would not buy one. Actually, I don't like them at all, really. But there you have it. Laters. That's it. See ya.